DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're working on a small bicycle today. We're going to show you how to fix a front brake. Let's get started. DIYers, here we are outside at the bike, and this is a Martin Donkey Jr. 16-inch, and unfortunately, again, the front brake is broken. Let's take a closer look here. And again, here is the rear brake on the right side. Left-hand side is the front brake, and you follow the cable all the way down. Check this out. It's all broken. Look at that. And if you don't know how to put this back together, we're going to show you. At this point, I've repositioned the camera, and here's the failure point, unfortunately, and it got dented or damaged during storing or riding the bike. However, either way, we're going to get it fixed, and that part right here is what connects inside here. And coming up top, the left brake, you can see as I move that, that is what it is supposed to do. However, first thing we're going to do is direct our attention to this piece right here. Carefully push this brake portion out, loop that little pin on the back side into its groove. Again, on the back side of this part right here is a machine cutout or groove that little pin or piece is positioned into. Next, all I'm going to do is carefully push the two together, and I need to get this piece right here inside that little groove. And all I'll do from here is grab a pretty decent size and strong pair of pliers and crimp that piece in. And once you get that piece in, it's not going to come out, which is great. What I'll do next is take that little boot and cover that, and I'm now going to test the brakes. Much better. I'll give it one more quick little tighten. Try not to over tighten it, but you obviously want it tight in there to ensure that that piece is not going to come out. And again, slide that boot on. And as you see, that just took a minute or two. Now to a close-up, and again, that is what it is supposed to look like. That piece is solidly secured back in there. There's still some wiggle room, as it's designed to have. And on the back side, let me try to get in here where you can see the little cutout groove for that pin, or that first piece we shifted up and into the back portion of that brake mount there. And again, I'll come up top and give it a couple test squeezes with the brake handle. And that is working perfectly as designed. And again, it only took a minute or two. Taking a step back, DIYers, that is it. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Also, down below in the comment section, as well as description section, you'll see additional video links to helpful videos, including removing handlebar grips, installing new ones, even installing a brand new seat on a bike. In addition, some video links on Strider bikes. Hope to see you there. Thanks again for watching.